Happy Monday. We need a longer weekend, am I right? Okay, it's Monday. You're probably not feeling great. You're stressed. There's a whole week of ahead of you. How are you going to create today? The reality is that life is nuts, and you may not have that hour plus that you want to devote to creating stuff. You may not even have 10 minutes. That does not mean that your inertia has to stop. Today is the day to put into practice what you have been learning. Make one thing. Let it be tiny. Let it be wrong, but let it exist. If all you have time to do today is, while you're on lunch break, take your phone and write a single sentence, or just scribble a little bit on a napkin, or just hum a little bit and maybe record yourself on your phone, it counts. I know it doesn't feel like it counts. I know that's not what you want your creative life to look like. We are in a world that doesn't have a lot of space for creatives. So you have to take what you can get. And the fact is that the inertia of making stuff every single day will give you more power than occasionally having an hour to put into it. Besides, when you do get that hour, don't you want it to be the most beneficial, productive time you've ever had? Well, if you already have inertia going, then when you do get that hour, it's just going to flow out of you. But if you have been at a dead stop because it has not been the perfect circumstances to create, when you get that hour, you're going to end up frustrated. You're going to end up staring at the page or whatever your medium is and going, I don't know what to do. And then you feel like you've wasted that hour, and it's not a good feeling. I know that feeling. I got out of block by doing things like having my 20,000-year-old fantasy vampire guy walk into a grocery store and buy a gallon of milk. He would never do that. He has no interest in gallons of milk. But by doing that, I showed myself I could write, even though I didn't know what to do, even though I felt blocked, even though I was coming off the worst health incident I'd had up to that point, which included 2 mini strokes. By just making something, I started moving. You can do this too. Do not let fear stop you. Do not let stress stop you. Do not let the pressures of life get in your way. Make something. Let it be small and wonky, but let it exist. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.